What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be restoring and removing rust from Chrome. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so I can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and work on these handlebars on this bike. They are all pitted and the chrome is rusty up here on the surface. Someone left the bike out. Let me give you a couple other befores. These are some fenders. The sides of the chrome, as you can see, all rusted. Kickstand right here, that's all rusty. No problem though. We're gonna go ahead and clean it first, get all the dirt and grease off of them. Now we've got a couple options. I like these little soap pads. It's just steel wool, but it's got the soap built into the steel wool. Or just regular old tin foil. You just ball it up. See how tin foil works is it's abrasive enough to get the rust off, but it's soft enough that it doesn't scratch the chrome. And you're gonna get some water, and we're gonna put some powdered soap in there, either laundry soap or baking soda, just something powdery to get it gritty. We're gonna make that into a little slurry paste. Now we're gonna put that right on the chrome. Just watch it, guys. Look at this. I've literally been at it for about 20 seconds. Let me wipe this off. Look at this. Look at that. Took it off in like 20 seconds. That's just with the aluminum foil. The paste of the soap really helps cut it. But look at this. This is no time. So literally after a minute of scrubbing, just check out the difference. The two sides. Look at that. That's a minute of scrubbing versus this. What a difference, just with the tin foil. Those little scrubby pads really do work though in tight spaces, like if you're trying to get around certain things like nuts and bolts too. Bolt right there, that rusty bolt. Take that scrubby pad. Just give it a little twist. Wipe it off. Look at that. Use the tin foil. Yeah, look at that. What, a minute? See, like the scrubbies work really good for little nooks and crannies like these pedals. See, watch. See all that rust, surface rust? Scrub it. Little elbow grease. Wipe it off. Look at that, got most of all the rust off. Couple minutes. Not even. I just finished up the fenders and look how nice those came out. The chrome really sets off the color. Now the little pieces are a little more tedious. This was a little tedious, but it really didn't take too much time. Just have your patience with you if you've got a lot to do, or break it into chunks. Now the last step is to really get the chrome shining. We're going to polish it. That's going to help from rusting and actually really give it some shine. You want to get some of this. This is Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. I'll go ahead and put some links in the description for you guys. So we just take it, take a little bit, not much. We're just going to rub it all over the chrome. Just a little. Alright, now after we put it on, we're just going to buff it with our clean towel. There we go, look at that. Alright guys, and that is it. That is how to restore and get rid of rust from your chrome. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.